Hello and welcome back to our channel. Since 2001, Victorinox has produced an annual edition of the Chinese Zodiac. This series is primarily intended for the Asian market, but these knives are also of interest to collectors in the West. This series is characterized by luxurious display boxes that are perfectly tailored to the theme. Today we introduce to you the Year of the Dragon for 2024. So if this interests you, then stay tuned. The knife was delivered in bubble wrap by Victorinox, which is certainly a good decision considering that the display case is a very important part of this limited edition. In any case, this bubble wrap offers good transport protection, which, as I said, is certainly a good idea given the sometimes adventurous transport conditions. These display cases of these limited editions are probably the most luxurious packaging that Victorinox produces. Red and gold are the typical colors for the Chinese Zodiac theme. The boxes impress with their excellent design, many interesting details, a tactile surface structure and very good workmanship. The dragon is the fifth animal in the Chinese Zodiac. In the Chinese culture, the dragon represents good luck, strength, health and also the male element yang. The dragon is unique because it's the only mythical creature of all the animals in the Chinese Zodiac, and babies are born in the Year of the Dragon more than any other animal. In many other cultures, such as the Western, they look at the dragon as a symbol of evil and darkness. But in China, they regard the dragon as being a symbol representing imperial power and authority. The personality traits of people born in the Year of the Dragon are charismatic, intelligent, confident, powerful, and they are naturally lucky and gifted. In everything that they do, they tend to do it to the best of their ability with high standards. And speaking of high standards, this edition more than lives up to these standards. It takes a little effort to open the box, but what's behind it is really worth seeing. The first thing you notice is the golden collar insert. It is beautifully decorated and has wonderfully detailed die cutting. One side of the insert describes the knife in Chinese, while the other side is presented in English. The knife itself lies safely and well protected in the deep black shelf, and although it is made of environmentally friendly cardboard, there's nothing visually wrong with it. The handles shine beautifully and have no scratches. While the back is decorated with a golden and very attractive dragon, the front was left as original and has no other decorations apart from the Victorinox shield. The base model that is used is a Victorinox Huntsman. In addition to the 15 functions that the Huntsman has, the buyer also receives a SIM card pin that is stored inside the corkscrew. The knife serial number can be found behind the corkscrew. So in my case it is the knife number 831. Victorinox produced a total of 8,888 of these knives. And this number is no coincidence. The number 8 is considered such an auspicious number that even being assigned a number with several 8s is considered great luck. Anyway, we don't need much luck to get an excellent and sharp blade from Victorinox. The Huntsman's large blade is 68 mm long. Also included is a small blade, which with a length of 41mm is ideal for finer work. The opening layer has no surprises. In addition to a bottle opener and a can opener, we also get a wire stripper and screwdrivers in 2 different sizes. The included Victorinox scissors are so good that it would be worth making a video about them. I don't know of any manufacturer who is able to produce such small scissors with such good cutting quality. The Victorinox wood saw is known for cutting through wood efficiently. It is stable and has no tendency to bend. The saw has a length of 71mm and its back can be used as a striker for ferro rods. There are many uses for the multi-purpose hook. For example, you can use it to take a hot pot off the fire, pull tent pegs out of the ground or bend wire into shape. If you want to find out more possible uses, then check out Felix Imler's YouTube channel. Also included is a toothpick and tweezers. And of course we get the obligatory keyring. The knife is sold, what a coincidence, for 88 francs in Switzerland. US Americans have to put $99 on the table. That's quite a bit more than the standard version of the Huntsman. Overall, I have to say I really like this knife. In addition to the usual high quality, what particularly appeals to me is the design and the really outstanding display case. However, the whole thing has its price, as Victorinox charges more than twice the price of the standard Huntsman. Nevertheless, for me this knife is the perfect introduction into the world of Chinese Zodiac limited editions. As always, we are of course very happy to hear your opinions and comments about this knife. If you don't have a subscription yet, it would be wonderful if you would consider subscribing. Otherwise, all I can do is wish you a nice rest of the weekend. See you next Sunday for the next knife review. Take care and goodbye.